There we go.
My therapist said that pressure is a little bit too light. You're going to need to go deeper.
Okay.
I think that everyone I asked, my doctor even says you're probably going to need to use elbows.
Oh, okay.
Also, when you're using the elbows, you have to go with the fiber. You're not supposed to go across.
Okay.
My previous therapist didn't do it like that. He used more of his palms, and it was flushing out to the sides.
Okay. Okay.
Also, the therapist said that if you use not enough oil, it's going to be painful for me the next time. So
Okay. Are you gonna
you got to use oil, more oil.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely.
Also, I forgot to tell you that he also said that you got to do both sides evenly at the first 5 minutes.
All right. It's a two-way to get rid of the client like this, who teach you how to do your service, or teach you like previous massage therapists. And guess what? People sometimes don't know what they're asking for. One time client come in, she have a big scoliosis and kyphos, and he asked me to push the elbow against the rib because previous massage therapists do that stuff on him, and it's feel good because he been in pain for a couple of days. And guess what? People like to be in pain because they think pain it's a heal them, but it's not. So in this case, of course, I'm not knocking my client down, which is I really wish it and really want this. It's in my head. But what I'm doing, I usually finish the session and ask him to never come back to me, or I can stop the session and just say, you know what, I don't think I can continue work on you. And the third position, I'm going to say, you know what, you have to trust my technique because I'm a specialist and I'm doing this for many, many times. And if client refuse that, and if you continue doing that, of course, you don't want to work with clients like that. I am do something about change my pressure or add some more oil if people get some dry skin. But usually I'm listen myself, listen my guts, and listen my experience, not to follow my experience. And it's been a couple times in my practice actually, because some therapists done something different, and it's not appropriate to apply to these clients. So be careful. And if you have any other suggestion, let us know.